Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the first lesson of Science 1. You have single textbook for science, but it has two parts, Science 1 and Science 2. Total lessons are 18, and these 18 lessons are divided into two parts, Science 1 and Science 2. Let us start first lesson of S1, laws of motion. What is motion first? The definition of motion is if any body or any object changes its position with respect to its surrounding, then the body is said to be in motion. Okay, if any object, I am repeating the definition, if any object or any body, that object may be any person or any vehicle, whatever it may be, any object, if this object changes its position with respect to its surroundings, with what is meant by with respect to its surroundings? Suppose you are in a bus, and whatever you see around yourself is your surrounding. Your surrounding is stable, but you are moving. Okay, that means whenever we consider motion, we need to consider yourself, your position, as well as surroundings. Okay, with respect to its surroundings, then it is said to be in motion. Motion is a relative concept. What is meant by this relative concept? You may be asked, explain the sentence or explain the term motion is a relative concept. The answer of this question is hidden in the definition itself. Whenever any body, whenever any object changes its position with respect to surroundings, motion is always related to its surroundings. Motion of any object is always related to its surroundings. So we cannot consider motion irrespective of surroundings. This is the core concept of relative. It relates yourself, any object, and its surroundings. We cannot explain motion. We cannot say that anybody is in motion if we don't express what is the position of surroundings. Therefore, motion is said to be a relative concept. If the body is not changing its position, then it is said to be at rest. Okay. Next, the concept is displacement and distance. Suppose a person, there are two places A and B. I will explain it on notebook. Let's see this. There are two places A and B. A person starts from A, goes to B. The difference between A and B is 5 km. Okay, person starts from A, it goes to B, and it again reverses back and comes up to C. Here I will say this is C. Then what distance he traveled from A to B is 5 km. From B to C again 3 km. Total distance he traveled is 8 km. Okay, this is called as distance. Distance definition: distance is actual path traveled by an object in motion while going from one place to another. While going from one place to another, whatever distance, whatever path traveled by that object or that person, that vehicle, is called its distance. Then what is displacement? It is the difference between initial position and final position. here what is the distance remaining? 5 minus 3 is 2, that is displacement is 2 and distance is 8 kilometer. Displacement definition: displacement is a minimum distance between starting and finishing points. Here starting point is A, finishing point is C. What is the difference between these two? 5 minus 3 is 2. Suppose a person starts from A reaches at B, distance between A and B is 5 kilometer, and he again reverses back up to A. Again he travels 5 kilometer. What would be the distance? Distance would be 10 kilometer. And what is displacement? Displacement would be 0 kilometer, because difference initial point was A and final point was again B, therefore difference between initial and final points is 0, that is displacement is 0 kilometers. Okay, I will provide notes up to this. You have to read those notes, write and learn. We are enough now.